Highly recommended. I had a great time for 3 nights here with complete, clean, and comfortable facilities. Sparkles emoji. I will book again when I go to Bandung. Smile. The place is comfortable and clean. Suitable for families. You have to fix the shower and give more some galley amenities such as glass, and prepare for towel in the room and bottle of water for complimentary. Thanks. Everything is fine besides their Wi-Fi connection. Apartments are clean, fragrant, and the furniture is still good. But there are no water jugs, hangers in the bathroom, and towels. Hopefully in the future, towels will be provided instead of having to rent them. But overall, nice. Pintu kamar mandi perlu diperbaiki dan sofa depan TV perlu perbaikan juga. Sudah usang, overall good for Bandung harga.